Waterman Customs. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back. Waterman Customs TV. Joel Wasserman here. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the BODHI Floaty. So let me set my little bag down right here real quick, because if I scrape my fins on the ground, sometimes it bothers other people, certain people. Okay, a lot of times people ask me, when is the time to change your wax? It's about that time, but I'm not going to do it here at the beach because that's a mess. So I'll do it at home, and that'll be a video for another day. Okay, so introducing the BODHI Floaty. Box is kind of hard to open, which makes for secure traveling. This is cool because it's a GoPro mount, but it also has a flotation inside of it, so if it was to come unlatched, it'll float right to the surface with the camera. So the first thing you want to do is you want to wet this a little bit, wet the suction cups. So you take the floaty, the suction cups, and you wet them. Boop, boop, boop. You have to make that noise right there. Otherwise they don't stick very well. And we come and plop it on there. And it's going nowhere. So now I'm just gonna put my GoPro together. Brought to you in part by Vans. Little backpack for the camera, for la camera. Bada bing, bada boom. And then all you do, unscrew this. And rescrew that. I'll make sure this screw is nice and tight. I always like to go with the double floaty, just in case the camera comes detached from here. Could happen. It's better off to spend the extra $5–10 bucks and get the extra floaty and not lose the camera. And also, if you're having a hard time putting it, like screwing it all the way in, you can there's a screw on the side here of this lever. You can come with a screwdriver and get the extra turns in there. Usually finger tight will be enough, but if you have to give it an extra, you just use a screwdriver. Alright, the rest of the footage you're going to see today is going to come from the GoPro. See, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to line up to the shoulder while the tide corrects itself. So I'm trying to find where it starts at the corner to peel off. And I can tell as the tide's adjusting, the rides I'm getting a little longer and a little longer. So once it corrects itself, and I correct myself, I should have some really good long rides. Or at least better rides than what I've been getting. A lot of people over there at the jetty. Sure, I could paddle over there and catch waves, but I just don't like dealing with the traffic jam, you know. Let the critical mass do what they're gonna do, and like the easier, softer way. It's always tempting to go for the biggest wave of the set, but a lot of times those are the ones that just dump over, like this. So if you can catch the smaller ones, a lot of times they'll peel further because they're still reforming. So I'm back here to remove your BODHI floaty. Just gonna, you can either grab these little grommet things, or you can just kind of dig a nail underneath it. Usually one of them will come up pretty easy, and then you just kind of go bloop. You gotta make the noise. And that's how you remove your BODHI floaty. What a man! Let's go!